This is Tanbir Ahmed. Today I am interested to telling a history that was with my honorable teacher Dr. Raeesuddeen Sani. He came to our university, Hamdard University, Bangladesh, and then once upon a time he was asking to me, do you know what is first earth sound and how can we measure first earth sound? Do you measure first earth sound? Then I said to him, I was telling to him that no sir, please explain it, could you explain it about this topic? Then sir was telling to me, yes, why not? If you want to measure first earth sound, first you have to identify carotid artery, then you used stethoscope and you can identify properly first earth sound of human body, of heart. Okay, thank you everyone.